Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change language Outlook to English. Open Outlook, you can see that it is currently in Spanish. After this, click on the configuration icon. There you will go to the General section. When you do this, in Idioma, display the options and select the English language. Click on Gardar and you will see that now the Outlook environment will be in English. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.